Today we'll take a look at this rear center panel with 4 lights and grommets. The panel itself is made of a solid, thick metal material and has a beautiful high quality chrome plated finish with a triple chrome plating process. This particular panel has 4 4-inch incandescent stop, turn and tail lights. Comes with grommets, but it's also available with bezels and visors. It also comes with 2 LED license plate lights and a license plate frame. This panel is open on the back. That means it's not enclosed, does not have a back panel. If any parts needs to be replaced, they are available separately, like the license plate frame, the lights, the grommets and the panel itself. Wiring for the license plate lights and for the stop, turn and tail light. The colors are: the white is for ground minus, the black one is for the marker light, and the red one is for turn and stop. We take the measurements quick. Not we, I take it, not you. You just watch. I take it. The length is 34 inches or 86 centimeters. The width is 30 centimeters or 11 3¼ inches. The top plate is, I don't know, you can see that, but you have to trust me on that. It's 7 inches or 7 centimeters or 2½ inches. A little bit more than 2½ inches. Now we check how they look when we put some power on it. I can only show 1 light at the time because I don't have all 4 wired together. So this is the stop light, turn light. Together with the marker light and turn light. If you have any questions about this or any other panels, please put your questions down in the comment box and I'm trying to respond to all of the questions. Thank you for watching.